In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ad groups in Google Ads. This process might seem a bit daunting at first, especially if you're new to digital advertising, but with these simple steps, you'll be able to create effective ad groups to boost your campaign's performance in no time. First, let's start by going to the Google Ads overview page. You'll need to be logged into your Google Ads account to access this. From the overview page, you're going to want to click on the campaigns option. This is where you'll be able to see all your current ad campaigns and where we're going to create our new ad group. Once we're in the campaign section, find the specific campaign where you want to add a new ad group. This is crucial because ad groups are directly linked to campaigns, and choosing the right campaign will ensure your ads reach the desired audience. Now, within your selected campaign, you'll look for the Ad Groups tab. Click on it, and this is where you'll start creating a structured setup of related ads and keywords that share the same theme. Next, you'll notice a plus icon. This is where the magic happens. Click on this plus icon to begin creating a new ad group. Once you click, you'll be prompted to enter an ad group name. It's essential to choose a descriptive name that accurately reflects the theme or focus of the ad group. This helps in managing and optimizing your ad groups effectively later on. After naming your ad group, the next step involves keywords. Be thoughtful here, as choosing the right keywords can significantly impact the performance of your ads. Consider what words or phrases your target audience is likely to use when searching for your product or service. Enter these keywords into the designated field. Remember, Google's Keyword Planner tool can be an excellent resource if you need suggestions or inspiration. Once you've carefully selected and added your keywords, it's time to wrap things up. Scroll down and you'll find the Save and Continue button. Clicking this button will save your newly created ad group and take you to the next steps of refining your campaign settings, possibly adding ad creatives if needed, and that's it. You've just created an ad group in Google Ads. It's a straightforward process, but taking your time with each step ensures that your ad group structure is sound and that it's primed for tracking and improvement over time. Remember, an organized and targeted approach with your ad groups can lead to better ad performance and ultimately better results from your ad campaigns. Don't forget to review and adjust your ad groups regularly to keep them aligned with your overall marketing goals and to adapt to changing market trends or customer behaviors. Good luck with your ad campaigns, and I'll see you in the next video.